Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Jonson and Jonson. They make mostly cosmetics. I say mostly. They have their hands in so many different businesses that it's hard to say what they actually primarily do, but they're very well diversified, as we like to say. Current price $151.52, which gives them a market cap of just under $400 billion. So, as I said, kind of not a small company. Dividend yield is 2.63% with a payout ratio of 68%, and they're Dividend Aristocrat, so I would expect the dividend to increase pretty much every year into infinity, kind of like that. Somewhere around there. Revenue $82 billion, earnings $15 billion, and their PE is currently 27 with a forward PE of 19. Forward PE of 19 is actually pretty decent, and especially combined with a growing dividend and a 2.6% dividend yield and, $400 billion market cap. So definitely not bad there. Total assets $153 billion, total liabilities $93 billion, which gives them total stockholders' equity of just under $60 billion. Slightly down from last year, which I don't really like at all. Like, if you have earnings of $15 billion, you should probably try to increase the stockholders' equity a little bit instead of just doing like buybacks and 68% dividend, that still leaves them with $5 billion. So I think that they should still work on that balance sheet, even though it's a decent looking balance sheet. So obviously for a growth investor, there's 0.5% growth here, so not really all that great. For a dividend investor, I think it's a very interesting stock. Considering their Dividend Aristocrat, they've been increasing their dividend continuously for a better part of a century, I think. Very interesting there. Forward PE is nice. The balance sheet is decent. The revenue growth is meh. Obviously, they don't have too much room to grow, but I think they can still do better, and obviously the projected forward PE indicates that their earnings, at the very least, are going to increase significantly. So overall, I would say that for a dividend investor, definitely look into the stock because it looks very interesting. For a value investor, I think that the forward PE is nice enough. I think that the dividend is nice, and I think the balance sheet is nice, and I think the revenue growth is So overall, I think for a value investor, this is also a very interesting stock to look into. That's it from me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.